The new university is intended to be a hotbed for innovation in the area of technology and design. Our hope is to attract the very best students, the very best faculty and staff, and to give them the wherewithal to help to create a new world for us.
MIT and Zhejiang University represent two very strong innovation cultures, one Western and the other Eastern. Zhejiang University will expose students to one of the fastest growing industrial regions in the world, while MIT offers the culture of passion and self-discovery with its history of breeding leaders and entrepreneurs.
The new university is going to do for the Singaporean economy what MIT has done for the Route 128 area to make Singapore a center of gravity for innovation, for taking the best minds and ideas and bringing those to the marketplace. Through that, we'll have an enormous impact on Singapore itself, on the region, and that impact will both be financial and social. One nice thing about design is technology and design is they have enormous impact on the world.
结合这两所大学的优点，加上新加坡独特的多元文化特色，这样的三合一，将使新加坡科技与设计大学成为独一无二的学府，也为学生提供一个与世界交流的平台，广大他们的人脉关系。
So it's going to be, first of all, a very rich student experience. We envisage faculty exchange, we envisage collaboration in research projects, and we envisage a lot of cross-fertilization of ideas in the way that we do things in Asia, maybe transplanted to where it's relevant in the West, and the other way around. So I think it's just this amazing connection and the possibility of a traffic of ideas that goes from China to US to Singapore.
新加坡没有什么自然的资源，我们的发展是靠人力资源。在新加坡，就好像在一个世界级的大家庭，所以我们新加坡有一个非常好的社会的一个气氛。在这样的气氛中，在其他地方是找不到的。
Unlike, I think, many universities in which students, when they first come to the university, are put into large classes. They might be 500-person calculus classes or physics classes. We're going to start to develop the curriculum around what we call learning communities.
Singapore University of Technology and Design will provide students with not only the academic and technological resources, but also the business skills to sell their own innovations. Students play active roles in every step of the process, from conception to commercialization. So it's just not about ideas on the paper. It's about tangible innovations with the power to improve the lives of people around the world.
Because in a lot of things that we do, certainly in industry, in commerce and in science, a lot of discoveries and new methods and new technologies are founded on teamwork. So kids must come prepared to work very hard, to compete and also to collaborate.
We're looking for students who have great talent and great passion, right? And our hope is to fuel that passion while they're at the university.
通过教授的指导，让学生以技术为本，同时学习管理、商业和社会科学等，并利用启发、培训计划、实习和社区学习等，培养学生的商业技能，让学生从设计概念的形成到商业化的每一步进程中，都有自由的发挥，学以致用。
What makes a leader? A leader is someone who can work effectively with others, who has a sense of direction, that can pursue that sense of direction, but also someone who respects others, who has a strong sense of integrity, who is someone that can be a role model for others and develops a sense of trust and respect from others around him or her.
The entrepreneurship in the kids will be fostered, they will be nurtured, and yet with that grounding, that special grounding in technology to be able to provide solutions, and this is what we are seeking at the new university.
So we want to provide both depth in terms of a very first-class technical education. We want to also provide breadth so that they understand the implications of that. And we also want to provide an education that provides flexibility for the students. The university is going to focus on what we call Big D design. And by what we mean by Big D design is two things. One is design is broadly construed. So take any adjective you can put in front of design: architectural design, software design, product design, system design. So we're going to cover the full spectrum of design in that sense. But also Big D design means we're not just doing the conceptualization of design, but bringing that design to the marketplace in terms of manufacturing, production, and the like.
It is a holistic learning process that combines theory, research, engineering, and business, real-life practice that starts in school.
The Singapore University of Technology and Design is going to be about the art and science of design.
The graduates of the Singapore University of Technology and Design are the future technical leaders of Singapore, the region, and the world.
We wanted to add something new and valuable to our university scene, which the existing universities did not provide, and eventually came up with a solution which is the Singapore University of Technology and Design. We hope that it will provide something different from the existing institutions, a very high quality education which will teach the students how to think, how to apply what they have learned, how to be creative, not just in the technology and the design part, but also creative in bringing it out of the academic environment into the real world, into the business world, into the real economy, and make a difference to the world. It's a university which is linked up with MIT and with Zhejiang University in China. These are very eminent institutions, and we think that these linkages will provide the students not only a very high quality academic input, but also connections to two vibrant economies. The United States with its entrepreneurial, dynamic economic culture, and China, a vibrant emerging economy. We hope it will provide a different experience for the students. Very high quality academic environment, but not just an academic environment, one which is going to be stimulating the students to go beyond the book knowledge, but to apply it to solving problems, apply it to using it in the real world, apply it to making a commercial success in the economy, in business. You must be prepared to work very hard. That's the way to get the maximum out of a university experience like this. This is a place which will stimulate you, which will stretch you, which will take you in unexpected directions, which you may not have thought of when first you contemplated going to university, and which will enable you to develop your potential and engage you in the world around, so that you come out not just an engineer or an architect or a software person, but somebody with passion, with ability, and with dreams to go and do something which is going to change the world.